Hi, this is Sai Kishore D from Magneq Software. 30 days, 30 aptitude topics. Day 10. Today topic calendar. We know in 1 year, 365 days means 52 weeks plus 1 day. In leap year, 366 days. 52 weeks plus 2 days. So how to find out leap year? For example, 19,040. So 19,000 by 40. What is 4 divisible rule? Last two should be divisible by 4. So remainder 0. Remainder 0. So 1940 is leap year. For example, 2014. 2014. So 14 by 4. Remainder 2. Remainder 2. So 2014 is non-leap year. Non-leap year. So simple. When given year is divided by 4, remainder 0, that is leap year. Otherwise, non-leap year. If today is Sunday, after 120 days, what is the day? So every week, 7 days. Every week, 7 days. So after 7 days, repetition. After 7 days, repetition. 120 by 7. 120 by 7. Remainder. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. So Sunday plus 1 day means next day. So answer Monday. If today is Sunday, after 120 days, what is the day? So 120 by 7. We have to find out remainder 1. So Sunday plus 1 day, Monday. If today is Monday, after 412 days, what is the day? 412 by 7. Because every week 7 days means repetition. Repetition. So remainder 6. Remainder 6 means Monday plus 6 days. Monday plus 6 days. So Sunday. Sunday. Answer Sunday. If today is Saturday, before 143 days, what is the day? Given 143 by 7. So remainder 3. Remainder 3. Before means minus. After addition, before minus. So Saturday minus 3 days before. 3 days before Wednesday. Clear? After means addition, before minus. If today is Friday, before 99 days, what is the day? So 99 by 7, remainder 1. Remainder 1. 1 means minus 1. Friday minus 1 day. Before day, Thursday. So simple. After means addition, before means minus. We have to divide by 7 because every week 7 days. Next one. What is the day on 3rd August 1994? So for this, first of all, day code. Day code starting from Saturday. Saturday 0, Sunday 1, Monday 2, Tuesday 3, and Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, Friday 6. Friday 6. Next to century code. century code. From 19,000 to 1999, century code 0. 2000 to 2099, century code 6. Next, very, very important, month code. Month code 144025036146146. 12 months, 12 codes. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So next important formula, date plus month code plus number of years, number of years plus number of leap years, number of leap years plus century code by 7, century code by 7, and only one condition, when given year is leap year, decrease 1 day from remainder, 1 day from remainder. When time period, January 1 to February 29, January 1 to February 29. So now apply date 3 plus month code for August. Month code for August also 3 plus number of years from 19th century. So 94 plus leap years. Leap years 94 by 4. So 23 times. 23 times. So 23, we have to take coefficient 23 number of leap years plus century code for 90s 0 by 7 by 7. Total sum 7, 119 by 7. Remainder 4. Remainder 4. 4 means Wednesday. Wednesday. So once again, day code Saturday 0, Sunday 1, Monday 2, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, Friday 6. Century code from 19,000 to 1999 0, 2000 to 2099 6. Month code 12 months, 12 codes 144025036 So 144 means 12 square, 12 square, 00255 square, 0366 square, and 146, 12 square plus 2. 12 square plus 2. And date plus month code plus number of years starting from 19th century plus number of leap years. 94 by 4, we have to take coefficient to 23 plus 0 by 7. Next one. What is the day on 2nd January 2012? So date 2 plus month code for January 1 plus number of years from 2000 century 12 plus number of leap years. So we have to take coefficient number of leap years. Number of leap years. So 3 plus century code 6 by 7 by 7. Total sum 24 by 7. So remainder 3. Remainder 3. Remainder 3. But there is one condition. What is the condition? When given is leap year, decrease one day from remainder, January to February. So remainder 3 minus 1 means 2. We know Saturday 0, Sunday 1, Monday 2. So Tuesday 3. So answer Monday. Next, what is the day on 12th December 1999? So day to 12 plus month code for December 6 plus number of years 99 plus number of leap years. So 24 times number of leap years 24 plus century code 0 by 7. So total sum 141 by 7. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. 1 means Sunday. So answer Sunday. What is the same year calendar for 2013? So first of all, same year calendar. Same year calendar. Same year calendar means in a calendar year, date, day, and month. Same date, same day, and same month. Same month, except year. For example, 2013. So same as it is 2013 day to day month. So when given year is divided by 4, when remainder 0 plus 28 to given year, plus 28 to given year. When remainder 1 plus 6 to given year. When remainder 2 plus 11. When remainder 3 plus 11. To find out the semi calendar, when given year is divided by 4, remainder 0 plus 28 to given year, remainder 1 plus 6, remainder 2 plus 11, remainder 3 plus 11. So given 2013, 13 by 4, remainder 1, remainder 1 means 2013 plus 6, 2019, 2019. 2013 and 2019 calendar are same with same day to day month. 2013 and 2019 have same calendar. Next one, 2040. 2040. 40 by 4. Remainder 0. So plus 28. 2048 means, sorry, 2068. 2068 means 2040 and 2068 have same calendar year. Next one. What is the same year calendar for 1973? 1973. 73 by 4. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. So plus 6. Plus 6 means 1979. 1973 calendar and 1979 calendar. Both are same. What is the same year calendar for 1930? 1930. So 30 by 4. Remainder 2. Remainder 2. Remainder 2 means plus 11. 1941. 1930 calendar and 1941 calendar both are same. For more updates, follow our YouTube channel. Comment your answer. Comment your answer. What is the same year calendar for 2020?